Understanding gas line repair, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic, gas line repair. This phrase is commonly used in everyday life, especially when dealing with home maintenance. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how to use it in context. Gas line refers to the pipes or tubing in a building that carry natural gas. This gas is used for heating, cooking, or sometimes even powering appliances. The term line here is another word for pipe or tubing. Repair means to fix something that is broken or not working properly. When we combine these two words, gas line repair involves fixing any issues or damages in the gas pipes to ensure they function safely and efficiently. Gas line repair is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. Damaged gas lines can lead to gas leaks, which are dangerous and can cause fires or explosions. 2. Efficiency. Properly functioning gas lines ensure that gas appliances work efficiently. 3. Compliance. In many places, regular maintenance and repair of gas lines are required by law to ensure safety standards are met. Understanding the importance of this phrase can help you recognize the urgency and seriousness when it's used in conversations, especially in a home or community setting. To help you understand better, here are some example sentences. We need to call a professional for gas line repair. I smell gas in the kitchen. Our landlord scheduled a gas line repair to ensure everything is in top condition. Learning about gas line repair is part of the training for becoming a certified plumber. Notice how the phrase is used in different contexts, emphasizing its practicality in daily life. That's all for today's lesson on gas line repair. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the significance and usage of this phrase. Remember, learning such practical phrases can greatly enhance your English language skills, especially in real-world situations. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.